What's up guys, I'm Zain and today we're going to review Starling Bank. First thing that I'm going to talk about in Starling Bank is the key features. Starling Bank is a really solid current account that comes with spending insights, different savings spaces that come with free virtual and physical connected cards so you can pay for stuff directly from that saving space, a cash deposit service via the post office, the option to set up an overdraft, and a range of account options, which I will give you more information about it later. With a Starling Bank, you can also get access to insurance, pension, and mortgage products, as well as cashback rewards through third-party providers on its marketplace. Two features that set Starling apart are that it doesn't charge any fees for spending or cash withdrawals abroad, so it can be a great option for traveling, and that it offers interest on money on your current account, so you don't need to set up a separate savings space to start earning interest. There are of course some drawbacks to Starling, including its £300 daily limit on cash withdrawals. For context, Monzo's daily limit is £400. The limited budgeting tools compared to other similar apps like Monzo, the fact that a lot of extra features are only available through third-party marketplace providers rather than directly in the app, and being a digital-only bank, there are no physical branches to pop into if that is your thing. Now let's take a look at different types of accounts that Starling offers. So Starling has one standard current account, but if you go to Spaces, there is the option to open customizable savings spaces, as well as a 1-year fixed saver. The fixed saver has a minimum deposit requirement of $2,000 and an interest rate just under 5.5% at the time of making this video, but your money will be locked away for a whole year. Starling also offers free Starling Kite Kids account for children aged 6 to 15, joint accounts, and a free business account. Starling doesn't have many fees and charges to worry about. To be honest, there is no account fee, no ATM withdrawal fees, and no fees for spending or withdrawing cash abroad. There's of course that 300 daily limit on cash withdrawals in the UK and abroad, and any foreign currency conversion fees will be changed at the MasterCard currency exchange rate. Another fee to consider is the cash deposit fee, so you can deposit up to $1,000 for free each calendar year via the post office. If you deposit over £1,000, you will be charged a 0.3 fee of the amount you deposit. Starling Savings Space, the Fixed Saver, Starling Kite, and Starling Business are all free to set up and use. Starling comes with a bright teal green card for its personal current account, supposedly inspired by the bright feathers on a starling bird. Starling Kite cards have an extra pop of color to make them more suited to kids. The joint account cards. The joint account cards are a slightly darker green, and Starling business cards are black because business is serious. The app definitely has a more serious, sophisticated vibe than Monzo or Revolut, but it's simple and easy to use, and everything is organized well into the tabs along the bottom navigation. Starling is a bit of an award winner here at Finder. Not only did it win our 2024 Banking Customer Certification Award, is voted for by the people who actually use it, and Starling also had a score of 4.7 out of 5, and this is really magnificent. Starling doesn't have as many budgeting features or insight as something like Monzo, and it only offers the one basic current account, where with others you can upgrade for more features, although those upgrades typically come with a monthly fee. That said, if a smart, simple interface is your bag, this could be a great app for you. And with no fees on sending or cash withdrawals abroad, it is a great card to have on your holidays or travels. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.